And went to pick up Tyler and couldn't find Tyler and asked somebody if the kids already came out. There was a teacher at the gate. She looked at me and asked me, who am I, if I'm Tyler's nanny? Yes.
Tata and Tonton is here. Of course, they're playing with the kids.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. I am in the supermarket this morning with the entire squad. You see them behind me? They're there. Somewhere around there chatting. Anyway, just coming on to give you guys a quick intro. Right now, doing some shopping on this beautiful Saturday morning. My pen fell out of my hand into the cabin. So I'm doing some shopping. Hi, I'm here. Say hello to Fav. Say morning. No. Tyler. Hi. Layla. Hey. Honey, say morning.
I know. So fun.
Hear them. Hear them. Hear them. Anyway, you guys, we're doing a little shopping and in here is quite busy, so I'm gonna focus. So have a good day. Enjoy today's vlog. Subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up. And I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today when we get home. Hey, no, when we get home.
I want to see myself.
Okay. Look at them in the garage. Run, Sarah, run! Run, Sarah, run! Run, Sarah, run! Oh! Sarah, go take them off. Go take Sarah. Sarah, take them off. Oh my God. She jumped in her. Sarah, you have to take them up. Go, finish now. Take them. Now.
It's time for the supermarket haul.
Yes. Let's do it.
Supermarket haul.
Yes. All right. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, where's my bag?
Where did you put it?
I put it over there.
Over where?
You see
Hold on. You put the bag over where?
You see behind the door there.
C'est pas possible ça.
Which bag?
It's there, no?
That's the snack bag.
So why is there?
Ask yourself that question. You can ask yourself that question and give me the answer. He's too funny. Let's go. All right, Sarah, here we go with the first thing. What is this?
Chicken!
Yes, as you guys can see, we're back from the supermarket haul and trying to get this all out of the way.
And I got to win rock, paper, scissors.
I love the confidence. And look at the loser peeking in.
Because I
More chicken. I'll show you guys all the duplets. I haven't bought potato at the supermarket in a long time.
Chocolate!
Nah, Tyler says
Potato.
Mama wants potato salad.
And you have carrot?
Yes, I have
Chocolate!
carrot. Thank you. You're gonna write? You're right. After the supermarket haul.
Right.
Give it to Mama.
No, it's right. good to write up your page.
Alright, what else do we
Okay, right,
have?
finish. Good job. Bravo.
What do I see here? I see egg for the raclette potato salad.
Not a raclette, not happening. He's already dreaming about winter. Go ahead.
Sarah! Crunch my cereal on
Sarah and Tyler favorite cereal in the mornings. More chicken.
Raspberry, blackberry.
Yeah, why you're not showing Sarah the things? That's fine.
What is that?
Raspberry.
What's this? Compact.
Good job. Pork for barbecue.
Mama, why
Canberra.
this only me showing to Sarah?
Exactly.
What's this, Sarah?
Sarah.
Donut.
Sarah, what is this?
It's for
It's for...
Just know it's for mama. Say it's for mama.
Mama.
Good job. It's for me.
It'll be for you one day.
What's biscuit?
What's this, Sarah?
Chicken.
No.
What's this?
Good job. It's
What's
salmon.
this, Sarah? Onion.
Oreo.
Oreo.
And this?
Onion.
Oreo.
Yogurt.
Orion.
Onion.
No. Sarah, it's Oreo.
Oreo.
Sarah, Oreo.
Oreo.
Very
Bacon
good.
and banana.
Yes.
We have only good things. Bacon and banana, salmon, sausage, potatoes. Yeah, I got good things. I don't
Juice
see
for
no-
the-
I don't see no
Sarah, what's
veggies.
this? Pecan.
Oh, I don't want to touch
Pecan
this,
nut.
but this one.
What you don't want to touch?
This one is...
What's that?
I don't know, something wrong with this.
Nothing wrong with what?
What's this?
Yes, this one. I don't want to touch this. What is that? Ooh! Ooh! I don't want to touch you. See this bag?
He don't want to touch the lettuce. He's running from the lettuce. You tell me now. So,
What's this, Sarah?
Sarah, leave the fruit basket.
Sarah?
please.
Sarah?
Turn around.
What's this?
Here, Mama going for.
Sarah,
rice.
what's this?
Sarah?
What's this? Pretzel rice.
Yes.
Good job.
Rice.
Yes.
What the cashew? What's this? This is what the cow.
You guys, I buy myself a little lunch bag. Because when classes start, I need to carry my lunch to school. So I buy a
Sorry, Mama. I wanted to put it over you. Sorry.
you hear me? So I buy myself a lunch bag
What's this, Sarah?
and I'm happy.
And I'm happy.
Yay.
She made the...
Rice.
Yes,
What
right.
juice?
Mama's gonna make ricanton for you. Yogurt, but we can't put this close to Sarah because you know what's gonna happen.
When I will win.
When Tyler will win. What is going on? Where come out of a win?
What's this, Sarah?
She can't see it.
Oh, this is looking good.
Fish.
Nuggets.
Avocado.
Yes.
Avocado.
Good job. Sarah,
What's this, Sarah? Green pepper.
yes,
Ah, stay away from me. Stay away from me.
I put the lettuce on Papa.
Sarah, what is this one?
Yes, I can touch this and rub it like a stomach.
Yes, fries. So we have Irish potato fries and sweet potato
I have nothing to do with this. Just know. Nothing to do
Wait,
with this.
no. Who influenced who to pick it? Last night, I felt for some juice. Yes, I had some juice last night. And it was Schweppes, but it was Agums. It's grapefruit, but it's the red grapefruit. And it tastes so good. I've never had this one before.
She had.
Babe said I don't have no
Just to
bread.
let you know.
Babe said I don't have no bread, but that taste last night was exceptional.
And you already.
We went to the wait. Went to the supermarket. I didn't plan on buying it, and he was like, "Babe, here it is." I'm like, "You want it? Hear him? You want it?" He said, "Babe, where's some bad influence? Put it in the cart, man. I am influenced me to buy it. I had no intention of buying it."
So you have no intention of drinking it.
It's here doesn't mean that I am going to drink it. I'll resist.
Let's see if
I
it
make up my mind to
until
resist.
Christmas.
No, it won't last. It might not last until that long. Sarah, you're in your own little world. Anyways, continue.
It's carton bleu. Mama, I almost say escalope because it's written escalope cordon bleu.
Okay.
We have 2 cheese. We jumped from 3 cheese to 2 cheese. I am the reason why, because I almost didn't have none during the week. She eat all of them.
I only buy 2 cheese because I have half pack in the fridge, so it didn't make sense to buy 3.
Because I didn't touch it.
Yay!
It's not my fault I didn't touch it.
Shrimp here, there's a cabbage to show.
So why are you telling me there's a cabbage to show? Why you don't show the cabbage? He doesn't want to touch the veggies. He's gonna eat them till they sun him.
Veggies.
Cabbage.
Mushroom is a good veggie.
Yeah, I love mushroom. I didn't see the brown mushroom this week.
And we have ham, piece of ham.
The white one. Laundry soap. Why is Sarah not showing the thing? Sarah, what is this?
Sweet pepper.
Good job.
And this?
Lemon juice.
Good job. What is this?
Lemon.
And
Yup.
this?
Papa.
And sausage.
And this?
Tomato.
Bravo. C'est quoi en français? C'est quoi ça en français?
Tomate.
Bravo.
Citron.
Citron.
And these are duplicates. You guys already see. Now,
Ah!
the moment we've been waiting for. Here we go. Let's see who will be the champion of today. Let's go. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two papa. What's that? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh no! I'm sorry.
I need that string.
That was a good fight.
That was a good match though.
Yes, that's in the beginning because
Yeah.
Let's say that the
was a
choose
good
you is like a
challenge.
reflection of.
That was good. That
But
was
you know what? It's still choose you.
Yeah, that's true.
But
But you
you-
put up a good fight.
You did
You
well.
did well.
You did
yes.
Like, again. Come, babe. Let me play one game with you. We stick and tell us your win. Come. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
And 0. Yes, talk to me.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
2-1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
2-2.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You use the same technique 3 times. You won't get me the first time. Stronger
Oh my
man.
God, he kicked my butt. I'm sick of him winning, man.
Of the day. Woo! Sarah, you want to defeat the champion?
The thing with rock, paper, scissors, shoot, you have to study the person during the game. You can't even study and say, this is what I'm going to do in advance, really. Because, like he says, he studied my technique just now and he was right.
You did 2 times the same things. You get me 2 times the first time. You won't have get me. You could have changed and tricked me.
But I wanted to change. It's me not realizing that I'm doing the same thing.
But anyway, guys, that's the end of rock, paper, scissors. I have a lot to do around here, so I'm gonna go pack out these things and we'll catch you guys along the rest of today. All hands on deck. Right, that's very good. Sarah, put them on. My kids working. Look at them. Good job, Sarah.
I'm the cutter.
Careful, Ty. Just
Sarah,
you can't hold the knife like that when your sister is taking
I'm
things
the
off.
cutter. Sarah's the putter. And
She's the
Mama is the
putter.
roller.
Sarah is a... And Papa is the chef.
Yes.
Papa is the chef. One more. Come, Sarah, you have one more.
Wow!
Sarah, be careful. Ty, you don't scrape it like that. You just cut it finally with it. Good job. Tata and Tonton is here. Of course, they're playing with the kids.
Ça augmente, c'est comme le... C'est n'importe quoi. C'est comme le...
Bon appétit!
Merci. Amelia.
Ou en seconde voiture en ville. Oui.
C'est quoi dedans? C'est frites, ça?
Moi, c'est pas la
Oui.
utilisation. Par contre, je veux pas passer je veux être en essence.
Oh my gosh. The carrots, fries and chicken better than to eat. Oui. C'est le jeu.
Le compteur est à 130 000 et j'ai acheté à 78 000. Donc j'ai payé ça. C'est des frites que tu as.
Oui, frites avec poulet de jeu.
Ça m'a coûté 103 €.
Les pommes de terre.
503 € for Tyler food.
200 balles de charge.
For that, Tyler have that on the floor.
Il a déjà continué de progresser. Donc au même niveau, C'est un placement. voilà, au même niveau, de toute façon, le sauvé à perdre. Même si ici ça C'est énorme, 1002 quand même. Par rapport, ouais, je trouve, par rapport à ton crédit pour un comme ça, ça me paraît complètement. Je me demande comment ils font pour trouver.
I love seeing pretend player.
Ça dépend de ta situation.
Oui. Allez-y.
Après, bon, si tu peux faire envoyer 2002, tu peux faire avec 2002.
Je vais pouvoir aller au cinéma.
Ça va être.
Le ticket.
Là-bas, on avait 2 chambres, en plus, là, on en a 3.
So I'm here in the kitchen. I just made these for the kids and I made these earlier, and I baked them. Sausages and pastry on the outside. And now I'm here making Tyler's favorite, well, everybody's favorite, but mostly Tyler, why I made these. So crepe is in the making. I know you guys waiting on this recipe, but it will be on the channel. I promise you, it will be on the channel soon. Tata and Tonton leaving. Sarah, come give Tata and Tonton a hug. Go give bisous and hug.
Là, elle est calme, là. C'est à la maison aussi. Hein.
Elle est chez elle.
Hein. C'est ébulant, elle est plus ébulante.
We'll probably see them next weekend. Maybe. Yeah, not the Friday, the Saturday.
Si tu veux pas, non.
Tu veux? Tu veux? T'es sûr?
Oui.
Ok.
Bye bye.
Regarde Sarah, regarde Sarah, regarde.
Là, toi aussi, tu mets tes
C'est
chaussures.
le mauvais pied, hein.
Je sais pas pourquoi les enfants.
As I'm in the kitchen, I also went ahead and made dinner. And this is what I made for dinner. I didn't show you guys the steps, but okay, I had ham and green beans and egg in here and rice. So what I did was cook the rice first. Then I cook the green beans, the green peas separately. Then I throw the ham out of the pack and saute it in a pan. And then I take that out and then I scrambled one egg and add a lot of butter in the rice, so it is really good. And I used to buy this at the Chinese restaurant whenever I pick up food at the Chinese restaurant, and the kids love it, so I decided to try and make it on my own. So it turned out well, and that will be dinner. So since I was in the kitchen, I just did all of that and done. And today is one of those days when I finish the kitchen and there'll be a little stuff in the sink because I'm tired and I don't feel like cleaning up right now, and baby's taking a nap. So I'm just going to clap my butt down somewhere and get some rest. My in-laws left. They were just passing by. They're on vacation and they were close by our house. They're coming from the mountains. So they stopped by. I think we're gonna see them again soon though, so of course I'll film better when I see them next time. Oh, and you guys, my birthday is coming up. Birthday at the end of this week is my birthday. So yes, I'm accepting all the birthday love. All the birthday gifts, I'm accepting it all, okay? Yes, I'm accepting it all. Did I tell you guys? No, I did not tell you guys. I forget to tell you guys how yesterday when I pick up Sarah from school and went to pick up Tyler and couldn't find Tyler and asked somebody if the kids already came out. There was a teacher at the gate. She looked at me and asked me, who am I if I'm Tyler's nanny? Yes. She literally asked me, she didn't say anything else. She asked me if I am Tyler's nanny. And I look at her, I just pulled on my glasses and look at her and like, no ma'am, I'm his mother. Oh my gosh, she was like, oh my god, I am so sorry. She apologized about 100 times. About even when I'm walking away, she was apologizing like, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. I know she walked away feeling like crap, but why is it that when you're off color, the first thing that they think is that you're the nanny? Like, why? I always hear people talk about it, but experiencing it for myself yesterday was quite a shock. But yeah, I'm Tyler's new nanny apparently. Funny, but not funny.